What are your thoughts on the trade copying? It's kind of like I feel like that's a point of not
Mhm.
contention, but it's a hot discussion in the Black Shirt Club almost every day. Some guys are
Yeah,
copying, some guys are not copying. What are your thoughts on that?
I do get the like, oh, I'm shooting for 200 bucks today. Hey, it looks small, but come to find out that guy's copying it across. You're like, oh, that's a good day then. That does make sense. But as of right now, it's like we said, of like, okay, this is my account with $4,500 worth of drawdown. I'll put on like 3 contracts on this, maybe more discretionary plays, counter trend, whatever, a little bit more aggressive. But
Yeah.
then if that's on its own, my other account over here, I'm just gonna take my simple A plus setups, maybe one trade a day, probably not even a trade every day. My conservative, I'm gonna build this up. Or with the copy trading, you're taking that any setup and all setups on this one account, and it'll be copied to all. So like when it goes good, it's gonna be copied. That's really good. If it goes through that rough stretch, it's copied to everything. So could definitely hurt. But I see both sides of it.
If you had to pick an opinion and actually like take a